Assalamualaikum everybody. So since the beginning of Ramadan, people has been commenting about me sinning before, and then people were like, your sin will never be forgiven. It's not fair that you've sinned a lot and then you are forgiven just like this, or you are not fasting, you are just creating content. Well, I am fasting first of all, and then what Islam told me is what matters, the only thing which matters is the intention between me and God, you and God. So if I am going to the great place after death, or if my sin is forgiven or not, it's not matter to you. It doesn't matter if my sin is forgiven or not, if I'm going to the good place or not. It's not your mother. So you should be focusing on your intention between you and God and Allah. My intention between me and Allah is mine, and you don't need to care about it. I am taking care of my business. I am putting my pure intention to Allah. So do not worry about me. Please focus your life. Please focus on your Ramadan good deeds. Please, you should be focusing on your life. Thank you so much. Ramadan Mubarak.